What's up, guys? I'm Rhett. Welcome back to Lawn Insider. So the Bermuda is finally greening up. I'd say we're probably around 80% green up right now. And this is the time of the year where everybody wants to start asking about products, what granular we're using, what liquids, what insect controller we're using. But we're gonna have to hold off at least another week for that, because in today's video, we're gonna talk about my backpack sprayer setup. This is my backpack sprayer. This is a 4-gallon battery-powered backpack sprayer from Ryobi, and it's part of their 18-volt line. And I know a lot of y'all also use that 18-volt system from Home Depot because Ryobi is kind of like their signature line. And I picked this up 3 years ago at my local store, but I have made a few modifications to it, and that's what we're going to talk about right now. I did want to jump in real quickly and tell y'all that this is actually the older model, and if you go to Home Depot right now and you try to buy their 4-gallon backpack sprayer, you'll actually be getting the newer model. BYD over at Bermuda Grass Central made a video about this a few weeks ago, and I'll leave a link to that in the description box below if you're interested. But if you do have that newer model, let me know in the comment section below if the modifications that I'm making on this older model also work with the newer one. So this is the only change that I've made to my setup in the last 3 years, and it's a fairly small modification and pretty inexpensive, but it's going to make a big difference in the quality of your applications. And what we're going to do is take the stock parts here that come with the backpack sprayer, and we're going to replace them with this TeeJet setup with these parts right here. And the two nozzles that we're looking at, this longer one is used for soil applications. It's going to give you a larger water droplet, which is going to make it easier for that application to get down to the soil layer. And then the shorter one here is for foliar applications, and it's going to give you a finer mist, and it's going to allow the leaf of that plant to easier take in and absorb whatever you are applying to it. And then this right here is just an adapter for the quick change nozzle here, which is just going to allow us to switch between nozzles really, really quickly. Okay, so the first step is to, actually we're going to keep this elbow joint right here. So the first step is to actually unscrew this part right here. And you're going to see that there's going to be a brown washer in there as well. And we can go ahead and just set that to the side because we're not going to use that. So next thing you're going to do is take your adapter and you're going to screw it on to the elbow joint. Just make sure it's tight. Obviously, you don't want to overdo it. Okay, and then once it's tight, you are going to take your quick change cap here, and then you're going to pick your nozzle. Right now, we're just going to go with the soil nozzle. And it's a little tricky here getting it through, but once you get it through, you pull it through, and then you have this little gasket right here, and you have to press that in here. There's a little circular ring in there that you'll see. Okay, and you just push it in, make sure that it's all nice and flush. And then, hopefully y'all can see the edges here on the quick change adapter, and then it has the same shape as the cap here. So you just slide that over, and then once it's on there, you give it a nice maybe quarter turn, and then you're good to go. And it's that simple. So once you have this set up, it's as simple as taking this off. And then if I want to switch to the foliar nozzle, I'm just going to press that, put that nozzle down, set the gasket down for now, and I'll just drop that. I'll drop that in there. Okay. Okay, and then once it's through, that's really the trickiest part of the whole thing. Put the gasket back, press it flush. Okay, and then put it on there, your quarter turn, and then you're good to go. So you should be able to make that entire application for around 30 bucks, and it's going to make a huge difference in your spray game. Any of the products that we talked about in today's video will be linked in the description box below. A few of them are affiliates. Some of them are from spraysmarter.com, which is not an affiliate, but it's just the cheapest way that you're going to get your hands on some of these products. It's the website I used, so it's the link that I shared with y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave me a like. If you're liking the content and want to continue to see more of it, hit the red subscribe button below. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I'll see y'all again next week. Lawn Insider out.